You're ready to take to the skies, but the drone world is honestly a bit of a maze. Between LiDAR sensing and Hasselblad sensors, it's hard to know what's worth your cash. That's why I've narrowed things down to the top 5 best drones in the market. I'm going to help you find your perfect flight partner, no matter what budget tier you belong to. And as always, you'll find the links in the description. Let's head right in. Let's kick things off at number 5 with the Holystone HS360S. This is a fantastic budget choice for anyone starting out. One of the best things about it is the weight. It weighs only 213 grams. Why does that matter? Well, it means you don't need FAA or remote ID registration. You can just charge it and start flying without any paperwork. It is incredibly easy to carry for travel. The camera uses a 4K UHD Galaxy Core sensor. It features an 85-degree wide-angle lens for broad shots. You can also tilt the camera up to 90 degrees during flight. This helps you get those unique top-down perspectives. But here is the thing to remember. There is no physical gimbal stabilization here. Because of that, your video footage might be a bit shaky in the wind. Yet, it still takes very crisp 8-megapixel photos. The range is another major highlight. You get a control distance of up to 10,000 feet. It uses a cable-based system for the FPV video stream. This is much more stable than standard Wi-Fi connections. It keeps your live phone feed reliable while you fly. You also get smart modes like Spiral Up and One-Tap Ascension. The GPS safety features are quite solid. The drone returns home automatically if the battery gets low or the connection drops. You get about 20 minutes of flight time per charge. It takes about 42 minutes to recharge the battery included. Think about it as a solid, user-friendly package for absolute beginners. It's really that simple. Moving up to number 4, we have the Ruko F11 Gym 2. This model is a significant step up in overall quality. Why do I say that? It features a 3-axis brushless gimbal for ultra-stable video. This means your 4K video at 30 FPS stays smooth. It works well even during those windy days outdoors. You can also snap still photos in 6K resolution. This captures richer textures and vibrant colors. The flight time is another area where this model shines. You get 2 batteries included right in the package. Each battery lasts for about 35 minutes of flight. That gives you a total of 70 minutes in the air. That is a lot of time to practice your shots. You can explore far with a 10,000-foot transmission range. It uses digital transmission, so you do not need any Wi-Fi. Think about the creative possibilities with the night mode. It allows you to take better shots in low light. You also get smart features like Follow Me and Orbit. There are even options for waypoint planning and cruise control. The drone will also auto-return home if the signal is lost. If you are new, you can start with beginner mode. This makes learning the controls much safer and easier. The Ruko weighs about 357 grams and feels very durable. It uses brushless motors which really help with longevity. It includes a built-in remote ID module for FAA compliance. This means you're ready for legal flight out of the box. The foldable design fits into the included carrying case. But here is the thing to keep in mind. It lacks obstacle avoidance sensors found on pricier models, so you'll need to keep a close eye on your surroundings. Nevertheless, there's no denying that it's a powerful and reliable choice for growing your skills. Now, we reach number 3 with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This drone is often called the gold standard for small drones. Why is that? Well, it stays under the 249-gram threshold. This allows you to skip registration in many different regions. It's perfect for travelers who want to pack light. The camera performance is where this model really shines. You can take 48-megapixel photos and 4K HDR video. The colors look very true to life right out of the camera. There's also an excellent night mode for capturing evening cityscapes. Think about how much more you can do with that. But here's the thing that really stands out. It features omnidirectional vision sensing. That means the drone sees obstacles in every direction. It significantly reduces the risk of a crash. This makes it a very safe choice for new pilots. The transmission range is also incredible at 20 kilometers. This is thanks to the DJI O4 video system. It provides a stable and lag-free view on your screen. You get about 34 minutes of flight time per battery. If you need more time, the Fly More bundles are helpful. Let me explain the smart flight modes. You can use Active Track 360 for smooth subject tracking. It even allows you to customize the flight paths. You also get master shots for automated cinematic moves like Droney and Asteroid. There's even a waypoint flight mode for repeatable shots. The included DJI RC2 controller feels very solid in the hand. The whole setup is built for ease of use. But that doesn't mean it's without flaws. Larger sensor drones exist for more depth. Yet, for most people, this is the perfect middle ground. It's a fantastic addition to your gear. We're moving into premium territory with our number 2 pick. The DJI Air 3S is a serious powerhouse for creators. Why do I say that? It features a sophisticated dual camera system. You get a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle sensor and a medium telecamera. Both cameras can capture 48-megapixel stills. They also shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second in HDR. With 14 stops of dynamic range, the highlights and shadows look incredible. Now, let's talk about safety during those evening shoots. This model features nightscape omnidirectional sensing. It even uses forward-facing LiDAR for extra precision. This means the drone can see obstacles even when the sun goes down. It is a massive leap forward for nighttime safety. You also get an upgraded smart return-to-home algorithm. It finds the best path back even if your GPS signal is weak. The flight performance is equally impressive. You get a maximum flight time of 45 minutes per battery. That is much longer than most consumer drones on the market. It can even reach a max altitude of 6,000 meters for high elevation flying. It also utilizes the DJI O4 system for 20 kilometers of range. This ensures your video feed stays clear and stable. The Fly More combo includes the DJI RC2 controller. It has a large and very bright built-in screen. You will not need to fumble with your phone while flying. There are plenty of smart modes like Free Panorama and Active Track 360. You can also use hyperlapse and waypoint flight for complex sequences. Now, sure, there are a few things you must consider. At 724 grams, this drone is significantly heavier than the Mini series. This means you will definitely need to handle FAA registration. However, you are getting professional tools in a foldable package that shouldn't be too much to cause a headache. After all, it is an outstanding choice for any serious creator. And finally, we've arrived at number 1. This is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone is in a league of its own. Let me explain why it sits at the top. The camera system is truly industry-leading. It features a sophisticated triple-lens setup. The main sensor is a 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera. It captures 6K video at 60 frames per second. But the interesting part is the dual telephoto lenses. You get 70mm and 168mm options for incredible zoom. Think about it this way. You can capture close-up details without getting too near your subject. The Infinity Gimbal is another huge innovation. It offers full 360-degree rotation. You can even tilt the camera up by 70 degrees. This opens up perspectives that other drones simply cannot reach. Now, you might wonder about flight time. This model stays in the air for up to 51 minutes. That is one of the longest times for any consumer drone. It also has an incredible range. The O4 Plus transmission works up to 30 kilometers. This provides a clear 10-bit HDR video feed. The build uses carbon fiber and plastic for maximum stability. It feels incredibly premium. Now, for night flying, it includes nightscape omnidirectional sensing. This system works in lighting as low as 0.1 lux. It makes flying at dusk or dawn much safer. The RC Pro 2 controller is also worth mentioning. It has a 7-inch rotatable screen. This display is high bright for better outdoor visibility. The Fly More combo also adds massive value. You get 3 batteries and a parallel charging hub. It even comes with a shoulder bag and spare propellers. I mean, this is the ultimate tool for serious filmmakers. At about 1.06 kilograms, it is quite heavy. You will need to handle registration for this one. But the power you get in return is worth the effort. This is truly the absolute best product on the market right now. This drone truly sets a new standard for aerial excellence. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this is definitely the one to beat. Thanks for sticking around. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Click the bell icon too, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video at Flexiviews.